Hi beauties, it's your girl Exquisite Black Rose, and on today's video I'm going to be doing a mystery box review. So I ordered this hair from this place called Purple Label Version Hair. I think it's also known as Hair Junkie as well. This is my second time ordering. The first time I ordered bundles, which was almost a year ago, and I have yet to use it. But my daughter, I bought her some as well at the same time I bought these, and it looks really good on her. I love the hair so far. My friend sent me this company, so that's how I found out about them. I got an email saying that they were having another March Madness sale and that they had mystery boxes. I have trust issues. They run deep, okay? No matter what I do. It could be anything. They run deep. So I really was like, I don't know. On the video that I saw them packaging mystery boxes, there was some pretty dope stuff in it. So I was like, you know, I'm going to go off on a limb, even though I never do that. I hope I'm not disappointed. First of all, I wasn't going to do any ratings, but if I had to give the ratings as far as the shipping, I'd give that a -10. Okay, the first time I got my shipping, everything was all cool. I paid a lot of money last time for shipping because my order was over $500. But I know y'all, stay with me though. This time, my shipping was only $8. But I don't like how they shipped it because, do you see how raggedy this box is? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I don't know what's in here yet because I was trying to wait to open it for y'all. But it was put in like one of those paper envelopes or something like that, a big one. I think this should have been put in a box because the presentation is horrible. Look at that. I'm not feeling it. So I'm hoping that everything in the box is good, is dope, and then I like it. So let's get started with this review. Oh my God, please let it be good, please. Okay, so on their video, it says that each box includes 1 wig and 5 additional items. Now I'm hoping, I don't feel it in here, but I'm hoping that I got the little iron. But I feel like sometimes people embellish a little bit when they promoting stuff. So I'm hoping the goodies are as good in this box as they were in the commercial. So let's get into it. Okay, so first open it. All right, there's no like packaging stuff in it. It's just put in there. So the first item I got, oh my gosh. Yo, every video I am messing up when it comes to unpackaging stuff. Like, what the hell? Okay, so the first thing it came with was this wig. Or it came in Hawaiian Wave. Now, I've been wanting to try Hawaiian Wave for the longest. But the Hawaiian Wave on their website is so expensive, I refuse to pay for it. So I'm glad I got something that says Hawaiian Wave. I just hope it's long. But it says 4x4 bob wig. Okay. It's not really what I wanted, but hey, okay. So let's open it up and see. Yeah, it's pretty short. So it's 12 inches. It has lace fronts, a 4x4. It has 3 clips in the inside, like a normal wig. It has the strap. Smells a little weird. I don't know how. I don't think I like it. I think if it was longer, I'd probably be like, oh, this is bomb. But it's giving me Jerry curl vibes. So I don't know. But we'll get back to that. So let's see what else is in this box. Oh, wow. Guys, I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm looking at the rest of the stuff in the box, and it's not worth $99. It came with a hairband. What is that on there? Is that a bird? It came with a flamingo headband. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Then it came with an edge control brush. Like, let's be honest, we all have at least 50 of this. It came with a wig cap, which is a plus because you always need a wig cap with all the wigs you have, whatever like that. It came with this cute little star clip. So then it also came with Hair Junkie Purple Label Lace Tint Spray in the color Honey. Can you guys see that? So like, this is a plus. I give it that. This I could get for $1 anywhere. So I mean, I honestly don't think it's worth $100, but that's just my opinion. Well, I wouldn't even pay $100 for this wig. The most I would probably pay for this wig is $65, if that. Especially if I'm getting it from Amazon. I don't know, you guys. That's what came in the box. It's like basic stuff. So on the video, I was seeing all kind of good stuff. They must have like put all of the dope stuff into the box on the video, because I'm not giving the same type of energy right now. You know, it's a mystery box. That's what happens. I just wish they would put something in the box that made me go, see, if I would have had that flat iron in here, that little iron thing, along with this and this, I'd have been like, okay, I'm happy. But I'm not taken away by the 5 items. This I can do. I like that. Okay. But the rest of this, definitely not worth $100. What I'm going to do is attempt to put this wig on my head so we can just see how it looks on me. Like I said, because it's short, I'm getting like Michael Jackson vibes. I don't know. We're not going to style it or anything. We're just going to look and see how it, you know, feels on my head. Oh, y'all just popped my pimple. Oh my God, it hurts. So the wig is super tight on my head. It's snug. And I have a tiny head. My head is only 22 inches circumference, okay? If it's too snug on my head, y'all just be prepared. Okay, so I do like the lace. I'm not sure if this lace is transparent or not, but the lace definitely doesn't need to be tinted that much. I could honestly probably get away with that. I just don't like that it's short like this. I don't know, guys. Maybe when I juice it up or something, or have the right outfit on, I don't know. I decided that I'm gonna take the wig off and spray a little bit of this on it just to see like what it does. Y'all know my makeup was fine before I put the stupid wig on and off. And now I have a bust pimple. All my foundation is messed up. I'm definitely thinking more and more that this is a transparent lace. Look how clear that is. I do like the lace. Okay, so now I have it dry. I'm going to put it back on. I tried to adjust it a little bit so that it could fit on my head better. So the honey color is a little darker than my skin, which isn't a big deal. That I don't care about. And of course I need to pluck it. I'm focused on this part is what I really don't care for too much. Let's go ahead and try to flat iron this thing. I'm only gonna do a little section, that's it. Okay, I've gotten closer so you guys could just take a look at the lace. I kind of liked it better before I put the tint on, but you know, it's a little dark. It's not that bad. See how my scalp look? It's gonna blend in. So let's see if this can be flat ironed. It does straighten. And the hair, I've got to say, is soft. But I'm not surprised because, like I said, my daughter bundles were super soft, super cute. They had a little bit of shedding, not much at all. So I do like her hair. I'm just so disappointed in a box. Like, that was not worth $100 in my personal opinion. I'm going to put some foaming lotion, or some people call it setting lotion. And I'm going to put it on here to see if it bounces back to its natural form. And I'm using Nairobi. Guys, you could do this with a diffuser, but I'm not using one today. actually like it better now that I gave it a little volume and like sexed it up a little bit. I like it better now. It is cute. I think my head is too small for curls sometimes. That's why I really don't like them like that unless it's long and luxurious. And you see it bounce right back from being straight. She has some good hair. I can't deny that. I just wish she would have gave me a little bit more. Tell me what you guys think. Do you like this mystery box? I give this box a 6 out of 10. The only reason it's getting a 6 is because how bomb the hair actually is. Purple Label hair is good. It's just, you know, the other things. So that's why I'm giving it a 6, because I do like the quality of her hair. I did not like the items in my box. I could have got that probably from Dollar Tree. I'm sure I could have. That's where I get my needle and thread from. Dollar Tree sells it. I also was hoping to get some glue because I've heard good reviews about their glue. And the little iron that I was telling you guys about, I'm going to put a picture of it so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. So I would have been set with that. But once I cut my lace and everything, I'm really going to be looking cute. You have thinning hair. If you lost your hair from having a baby, have you lost hair from having COVID? Have you lost hair from those women that braid your brain? Well, you need to try my hair candy. Hair candy is made by me. It is owned by me, and it is shipped by me. I do everything myself. This is a natural hair care line. I sell growth serums. I sell hair butters. I sell strawberry jam, which is to define your curls, which I could use in this. That's what I should have used. But I sell bonnets. The name of my website is called www.haircandy.biz. You won't regret your purchase. I hope I helped you on your healthy hair journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to me, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.